bus go round and round, all through our happy, happy town. Let's ride the bus together, hooray, on a sunny, sunny day. Everybody wave hello, wave to all the friends we know. Friends we know.
I built a monetized faceless kids channel using Canva, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. From creating videos, uploading them, and creating strategies that I use to build this channel. And the best part is that you do not need complicated editing software. All you need is your Canva app. So guys, it is totally free. So if you are thinking about, oh, I have no experience with editing softwares, don't worry, I am here for you. You can use just Canva to create this kind of videos. So before I go into detail, let me quickly explain to you guys how I got there. So I started my kids channel around September last year, and I got it monetized in less than a month. I started with creating just basic ABCD videos, fruits videos, colors videos, just basically videos that kids would love to watch. I think one of the things that worked for me was the fact that I was really consistent. I used to post every single day, like every single day, and I used to do a lot of research. I don't just post random things. If I'm posting a video, I make sure that it's a video that people are constantly searching for. I don't just post random videos. I used to do a lot of research. When I mean a lot of research, I'm always looking at my analytics. I used to look at my trends are what your audience are searching for. I used to use it for my advantage to make my videos. And honestly, when I started, I didn't think I would get monetized in a month. I mean, I expected it in like 3 months or 6 months. That was the deadline I gave myself. I've seen people who have gotten monetized in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then I got monetized in 1 month. So if I could do it, then you could do it as well. So as you all know, for YouTube, monetization criteria is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So yes, I was able to get this before a month, and then I got monetized. You guys, I love this chair. I love how I'm feeling in this chair. I went into the kids niche because I wanted to create something that I won't have to constantly show my face, right? So I stumbled on kids channel, and then I discovered that children's educative content can be created with simple tools like Canva. In short, I used to think that Canva was just used for creating flyers and banners, because on this channel, right, I used to use Canva to create my thumbnails. So I used to think that that was what it was used for. I never knew I could make a whole animated video using just Canva. So yes, and I'm very sure that in as much as people know this, there's still a lot of people that do not know this. So yes, I'm putting it out there. So now I'm going to be telling you the tools you'll be needing in creating a faceless kids channel that can get monetized. So first of all, you will need a phone or laptop. I personally use my phone. In fact, I didn't think that I could use my phone to edit my videos until I started using my phone. I find it easier to even edit on my phone. So yes, you need a phone or a laptop. Next, you need a YouTube channel. Obviously, you will need a channel where you get to post your videos regularly. I used to post my videos every single day. You can also post 3 times a week, anyone that works for you, and it's sustainable in the long run. Next, you will need the Canva app. I will advise you to pay for the pro version, so you'll be able to have access to so many tools on the app. So yes, you need the Canva pro version. You are going to be using Canva to create your animations. You can use Canva AI. In fact, there are a lot of things that you can use Canva AI to do. Explore your options. Most importantly, you need the Canva app. Next, you'll be needing ChatGPT, my man, of course. So yes, I use ChatGPT to generate prompts. The prompts that I use for Canva AI, I use ChatGPT to generate the prompts for me. And ChatGPT is very useful. In fact, you can even use ChatGPT to create thumbnails. If you don't want to create the thumbnails yourself, you can use ChatGPT to write your description. You can use ChatGPT to do your research. So please, if you're starting a kids faceless channel or any faceless channel at all, ChatGPT should be your best. I also use ChatGPT for content ideas. With ChatGPT, you're going to have unlimited ideas. You don't have to think about it. I don't even use my brain. When I'm with ChatGPT, I switch off my brain. So yes, you need ChatGPT. The next thing you'll be needing is a good internet. Look, I cannot overemphasize this. You need a good internet connection, because one thing with YouTube, it takes a lot of data. So you need to be prepared for that. It takes a lot of data. And just imagine you are posting videos that are up to like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You will need a very good network connection. Also, editing with very good network connection helps you to be able to edit smoothly without your phone hanging or without your phone getting too hot, or any device you're using at all. So I'm going to show you how I was able to create this using Canva AI. This is just going to be very short because I'm going to make another separate video on how to create animations using Canva, but I just want to quickly show you how I go about it.
First, you open the Canva app and allow it to load. Once you're on the home screen, you see options like your designs and templates. Then you click on templates. In the search bar, type YouTube video landscape. This will give you the correct size for YouTube videos. Select any blank YouTube landscape to get started. When you click on this, it takes you straight to a new page. Now, you go to elements. This is where you will use Canva AI to generate our scene. In the Canva AI prompt box, paste your prompt or type your prompt. This is the exact prompt I'm using for this demonstration. Tap on generate video and give Canva a few minutes to create your scene. You can see other elements are here, like numerous elements, beautiful elements that you can even use for your video. You mustn't use Canva AI, anyone works. And now our video is ready. All you need to just do now is set the video as background and you are good. If you don't like the first result, you can always generate another version until you find one that matches the style you're looking for. From here, you can continue building your videos by adding more scenes, animations, audio, and sound effects. Canva can make this process very simple. Even if you're using just your phone, I am using my phone currently to edit, and that's all I use. This is one of the fastest ways to start creating kids content without expensive editing tools or without needing complicated editing software. If you want to see more of these, don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more.
So now that I'm done creating the video, I'm going to create a title for this video because I'm going to be uploading it on YouTube and I want a title that is going to get a lot of clicks. So I'm going to head over to ChatGPT. This is a prompt I'm going to be using. Now ChatGPT is going to create a title for me. After it creates a title for me, I'm going to ask it to create a description. This is a prompt I use to get the description. So once I get my title, description, and my tags, I'm going to make sure that they are SEO word. SEO is search engine optimization. Just post random videos because, oh, you like the video, except you are doing it as a hobby. Well, if your goal is to get monetized on YouTube, you need to post content that people are constantly searching for. Use SEO titles, use SEO descriptions, be intentional about your titles, your thumbnails, and your description. For my thumbnail, I use Canva to create my thumbnails most of the times. But if I'm feeling lazy, I can use ChatGPT. Anyone that works for you. Your title and your thumbnail needs to communicate what your video offers. Your video cannot be about, let's say, cannot be about animals, and then I'm seeing, what other thing can I say? And then I'm seeing adults in the video. I'm just seeing adults walking. I'm expecting to see animals in the thumbnail. So it should communicate what the video is all about, or YouTube is not going to get your videos and you won't get clicks for your videos. So now I'm quickly going to show you a strategy on how I was able to grow my channel from 0 to monetize. Now I'm going to be telling you some of the mistakes I made when I started my kids YouTube channel. But one is spending so much time trying to make my videos too perfect. I was so focused on making my videos too perfect that I wasn't focusing on my thumbnails. I wasn't focusing on my titles. I just wanted to make my videos perfect, and that's one mistake people do. In short, I've noticed that most videos that are not perfect are the ones that perform the best on YouTube. So yes, I will advise you not to focus on creating a perfect video, because there's no perfect video. Just work on your thumbnail, your title, your description. Focus on making your channel and your videos about what people are searching for. I made contents that were too repetitive. Let me tell you something. If you want to start a faceless channel, please do not repeat your content. If you repeat your content, YouTube is not going to push your videos, and again, it can make you not to get monetized. So that is one of the mistakes I made. Immediately I started repeating my content, maybe because I was too lazy or I had too many things to do, YouTube stopped pushing my videos. And that was sad because I had already gotten the channel monetized and then YouTube wasn't sharing my videos. So please, I want you to avoid that mistake. That mistake I made was that I wasn't studying my analytics. This is what is going to show you what people are searching for. That is what is going to show you which video flopped and which video did well and what you can improve. So yes, I wish I studied my analytics more, especially in the beginning time. I knew this later on, and I will advise you to do so. Your audience retention, read about it, research about it. It's going to give you insight. So the kind of content you should keep creating. Another mistake I made was that I was expecting every video to perform well. In fact, when I post a video, I keep searching my analytics to see the views. That is mentally draining. Please don't do that. Don't do that. You need to understand that some videos will not perform well. Some days are going to be bad, and that is okay. Even the big channels, they go through that, they experience that. I got to understand it, that not every day is Christmas. So please, if your video is not performing well, just work on the next video. Don't give up because your videos are not performing well. YouTube is going to push your videos as far as to stay consistent, and the big channels go through that phase as well. That was basically how I was able to build a monetized faceless kids channel in a month. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In my next video, I am going to be teaching you step by step how I create these videos using Canva. So watch out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.